Hi everybody, my name is Kian Keshkar. I'm the Director of Engineering Q at Onanon. Welcome to the Engineering Lab. Let's take a look at what the design engineers are designing.
I'm working on Fiber Plus, a hybrid connector assembly that combines multi-channel fiber optics and electrical contacts.
Alright, so let's take a quick tour of the engineering lab. Let's start with the 3D printers. We have FDM printers, both the Ultimaker and Bamboo, our newest addition. Then we have our SLA printers, which are higher resolution parts. So once the engineers develop and 3D print the parts, then it comes time to post-process for fit, form, and function. So this is the station in which we're able to do that. Everything from soldering equipment to epoxy dispensing, and then some of the smaller tools for more detailed work. In the engineering lab, we have a few things that we use for tests and validation of these prototypes. One would be a force gauge where we'll measure the retention forces of our connectors. We have an autoclave machine. The autoclave machine allows us to test the material capabilities for high temperature, high steam. And then for some of the smaller details, we have a microscope, and that's where we get into some of the more detailed aspects. We could take cross-sectional images of the connectors mated together.